Up the Rad Vlog family. Today we're reviewing fireworks. We got $500 worth of fireworks. We got Devin behind the camera, and we're gonna switch real quick, and he's gonna show you everything that we got in detail. Here's a little layout of the land here. You got everything from big old bad boys to where I can shoot you with a damn bottle rocket. Everything. So Devin's gonna go through and explain everything. So on to the Devin.
On these pure fantasy fountains, they're getting sued by Nintendo, so these are pretty hard to find. Saves warning. We picked them up at our Safe and Sane store, so they're pretty good. 20 farts, 2 of them for $5. We picked up this one rocket, 12-inch Defender missile, whatever.
Look at these smokes. Usually they're like smoke balls. These are like what you go through countries with.
There are 2 of these like satellites for $5. Good deal. Can be. This one's pretty much a mix of the 200-gram cakes and some fountains, and some other novelty items. Just kind of mixed everything. But we got utter chaos. We got 2 of these tiger tails for $15. I'd say it's a decent deal. We got 3 superhero fountains for $20. These mini canister shells by TNT.
Holy crap, those are sick.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
I mean, that's my thumb. They're like the size of my thumb.
We got some 5-inch canister shells, a big boy, by Neon Beef. Pretty good.
We should literally go just throw one and see how it looks.
Yeah. Black Widow 5-inch canister shells by RGS Fireworks. Haven't shot these off before, but they look pretty. They were buy one get one for $1.99, which is an okay deal for here in New Mexico. And this is what we got for a 2024 fireworks stash.
What is up, the Radical family? Welcome back to another video. Today we got a new addition to the fleet here. We got a go-kart, a brand new go-kart. Virgil's sitting in here. We just got brand new tires for it. It used to have lawnmower tires like the front, and then it's a 301cc yerfdog. If you know what that is, comment down below. But we're gonna go on a little cruise right now, so stay tuned. Let's try to get this bad boy started. Okay. Today we're fishing. I got my truck, we got wada, some bevies, chair, breakdown kit, and fishing poles. So it's a little dirty. It was raining pretty bad yesterday, but if we could find a little crawfish or something, we're gonna put in a catfish bait. But if we don't, we're just gonna be bass fishing today. So let's get on the chest mount and get on fishing. No way. I caught a fish. Come here, buddy. I didn't think there was a bass in here. It was like right when it hit the ground too. Good hook set. These are either a white bass or something. Settle down, buddy. You want your stick? Let me see. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Quit. Alright, well now we gotta wait for like 30 minutes for you to dry off. There's a snail in the water. I didn't even know they go in the water. He was probably like on the water. He was probably like on a branch or something. This dude just caught a snail. Where's that? No, you can't have it. We'll go let you live, buddy. Alright, we're at a different spot. Concrete plant right over there. I think there's going to be a catfish. This is what we're probably going to be doing, is catfishing. Seeing lots of bubbles, seeing lots of activity. So we're going to throw in a pole and see if we can catch something. Oh yeah! I got chicken and bread. Maybe we'll do a combination of both here. I'm thinking we get the middle of the chicken, which I don't think there is any. So, okay. Let's see, where do we see the most activity here? Not seeing a lot, actually. So maybe just right there. I'll figure that's pretty good. All right, Teddy, Teddy. All right, hey, get over here. Get over here. Over here. Dale. Dale aquí de hierro. It was moving. Oh, it's still moving. Oh, it's still moving. Oh, we got a bite. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's filming. I'm gonna take this bell off. I think it's a carp. I think we caught a carp, ladies and gentlemen. Golly, that was a big boy. No. Is it still on? Oh, is she still on? Get over here, Ted. Golly, it's putting up a fight though. Oh, we got a carp. We got a carp, ladies and gentlemen. We got a carp. He's kind of already where I want him to bring anyways. Let me see, where did he go? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, he's a freaking big boy. Golly. Look at that, dude. What's all this about? I mean, that's probably... I gotta get my pliers. But look at this, dude. Give him a kiss. You give him a kiss. Oh, right in the mouth here. Oh my gosh. That thing broke my hook. Still got the hook out though. Dude, that thing broke the hook. All right, buddy. Let's let you go back in their water. All right. Let's see here. Gently release you. Well, go, buddy. Go. What are you stuck on? Oh, there it goes. All right, let's go, Ted. I got to rehook. That thing broke the hook. We got a big one. I mean, it took drag. Oh my goodness, this might snap the 9. We gotta loosen up the drag. We got a good one, baby. We're gonna end this one with a bang, dude. If I keep him on the line. Okay. Oh my goodness. No. Yes. Still on the line here. Haven't seen him yet. don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's ripping drag. This might be a freaking, oh yeah, this is like there's a couple pounder one right here. Got him. Look at this beaut. All right, good boy. Whoa. Let him breathe a little bit. There he goes off into the deep. All right. Yes. That's gonna be it for the video. We caught 3 fish, 2 carp, 1 white bass. The last carp was the biggest. It was probably 2 pounders, maybe even 3, maybe 4. Probably gonna do 2 or 3. Anyways, if you guys like videos like this, check out our other videos. We got tons of playlists, tons of different types of stuff. Check them out. We went go-kart fishing here once, so if you like go-karts, you like fishing, I put them together. All right, but respect your mother. Don't forget to tell your friends. That's gonna be the end of this video. Peace.